If you want to apply color tinting to your images, then a gradient map adjustment layer is the way to go. I'll delete the one that I already have and recreate it. Come to the adjustment layer drop down and last from bottom, gradient map. To change the gradient map, I'll come to the properties panel and click on the gradient bar. I can choose a color to map the shadows to on the left, and another color. I'm double clicking on the color stop to map the highlights to on the right. I can also introduce additional colors. And I can adjust how one color transitions into the other with the diamond at the bottom of the gradient ramp. You'll get the most out of this technique by using some really good presets that come with Photoshop. Part of the issue is that in the most current version of Photoshop, Adobe decided to make these presets quite hidden. So a point I want to make is how we find them. If I scroll down in this list, what I'm looking for is a group called photographic toning. It's been there for years, except it's now gone. So I won't find it here. I need to just cancel out of here and come to my gradients panel. If you don't see your gradients panel, you'll find it under the window menu. On the gradients panel, I'll come to the panel menu and choose legacy gradients. And in legacy gradients are the gradient map presets that I'm after. So I can now come back to my gradient map and I will find my legacy gradients, in which are the photographic toning gradients, and experiment with these.